Hi, my name is Jessica Alba. I am an author and actress and founder of The Honest Company. And I am so excited to announce that I have now partnered with HelloFresh. What I love about HelloFresh is it falls right in line with the philosophy of what I built The Honest Company on. I want to empower people to live healthy, happy lives. And that's what HelloFresh does with their boxes of fresh food. It's seasonal and delivered straight to your door. You can choose from 20 different meal options. My kids choose them, my husband chooses them, but mostly my kids choose them for sure. I just love how convenient and easy it is for me to make a family meal. So this recipe is the perfect recipe once the kids are back to school. It's family friendly and the kids can even participate. They can sprinkle the cheese, they can spread on the butter, and then you can add a little chili flakes to the adults' toast. Every week I get a nice little delightful surprise. The menu is right there. Everything is portioned out perfectly. The kids love it so much, they've never complained about eating their vegetables. Any parent out there, you want your kids to eat your vegetables? Get one of these boxes. Family time at the end of the day is the best time, and that's what I love about HelloFresh. It allows you to incorporate that family time, but it makes it so easy and convenient for you to get food on the table in a short amount of time.